You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Let's clarify and break down the pronunciation. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos you need to watch and listen to. Thyroidectomy, or thyroid, sorry, it's a bit difficult to pronounce. Thyroidectomy, yes, sorry, thyroidectomy. Do you struggle pronouncing this like I do, or is it easy for you? It's complicated for me. Thyroidectomy is how you pronounce it, English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.